Hi, Rachel here from Digital Media Edge. If you follow my posts or even what we post from our company account, you'll have heard us on more than one occasion mention a system called HubSpot. And in these videos that I'll be sharing once, maybe twice a week, it's essentially kind of sharing why do we think it's so great. I'll also put some useful hints and tips in there, some advice on using the system. So if you're already a user, it's still information that you're going to find really useful. So if you are not a user, let's start at the very beginning with the CRM element of the system. It's more than just a CRM, it's more than just a marketing system, brings all that together along with operations, sales, customer service as well. So it really is all in one place. The way we like to refer to that is essentially a single source of truth. So on our contact record that we've got here, I've got one of my little demo guys, Chris Kane. You'll see some useful information down the left, which you can always customize to whatever your business needs are. So you can kind of see we've got some history about kind of when Chris started with his current company, where he used to be, and then also some information on the products that he's purchased, plus as well site visits and page views, which can be really insightful when you're speaking to your prospects, if you can see what they've been looking at on your site, but also your customers, what's their current interests, what are they looking for help with at the minute. In the center, we have our correspondence log, essentially. So all your emails, meetings, notes about meetings will be logged into the central column, once again, all in one place. So you can make sure that you and the rest of your team are completely on the same page with what's been happening, what's been being discussed with your contacts. Then over on the right down here, we've just got some other elements which are linking to other pieces which are relevant to Chris. So whether he's got a deal ongoing at the minute, we can link straight out to his company, plus also any attachments, list memberships that he might be part of can be logged in this place as well. So I'm going to go over the dreaded S word, spreadsheets. We speak to so many people that have got spreadsheets, which, yes, you can store this type of information in as well. But how much time is spent kind of collating, comparing that data from different sources, when instead a good CRM will let you have that all in one place, which you can access. So there with the central CRM system, you've got the support for you building relationships with your contacts and customers. And it's kind of the center of the interactions, the relationships you're building and the campaigns that you're delivering. So this really is the core of it. In future videos, I'll go into more detail about the different elements which sit within HubSpot, and also the tools that you can leverage to help save your time, so you can spend more time kind of working on your business rather than in your business. Keep an eye out. I'll be posting these hopefully every Tuesday, and perhaps an extra one on Thursday as well. If you've got any questions at any point, please comment below, drop us a message. I'd be more than happy to help share some more information with you. Cheers. Speak soon.